Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can set the volume of your audio at the same level all at once on Capcut. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set the volume of all your imported audio on the same level in Capcut, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, I want you to hold the Control key in your keyboard. And while holding your Control key, next, I want you to select all the audio that you want to set at the same volume. And after you selected all the audio, they will now be linked together, meaning whatever changes you make in one audio will also happen to every audio you selected. So you can now adjust the volume depending on what you like. And all the audio you've selected will adjust volume at the same time. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now set the volume of your audios at the same level all at once. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.